Welcome to Beginning C++, where you'll learn to program in one of the most powerful programming languages in the world. Now, my name is Tim Bachauko, and your instructor in this course is Frank Metropolis. Now, I started out as a programmer in the 1980s, and I've been a professional software developer ever since, as well as a teacher. Now, I've actually got close to 300,000 students and 55,000 reviews for my various programming courses. And last year, in 2017, I created the Learn Programming Academy with a goal to train 1 million people as software developers in the next 3 years. Now, to help with that, I'm partnering with a group of instructors who've demonstrated a commitment to excellence and who have the right real-world programming experience and skills to help people just like you become professional software developers. Frank has been using C++ for over 2 decades and has taught lots of students in both university courses and industry training courses. He's even worked on a C++ compiler development project when he was in the industry. So you will be learning from someone with both extensive experience in C++ as a programmer, but also as a trainer. Now, Frank will teach you modern C++, including C++ 11 and C++ 14, and take you from C++ basics to more advanced concepts like inheritance and polymorphic functions. You'll also learn a lot of other skills along the way, such as how to manage memory, how to use functions and pointers, classes, constructors, destructors, and a lot more. Now, having C++ skills on your resume is often seen as a badge of honour among software developers, and many times, frankly, it will get you that job interview. Why? Because C++ programmers have a skill set that sets them apart from many other programmers. You've probably heard that C++ programmers command high salaries. That's true, and you may have even heard the phrase C++ equals salary plus. The reality is that there's a lot of career opportunities out there for C++ programmers. So why not start putting yourself on the fast track to success by learning C++ today? Now, there's no other requirements needed to enroll in this course other than having access to a computer. Now, if you're looking to get your first or a better programming job or to freelance as a software developer, then this course will definitely help you. Feel free also to look through the course description on this page for more details, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.